This is a quick review of these two shower caddies, which really nice for the bathroom. If you're looking to put products in areas and create more space, this is a great way to do it. And you'll notice that there is a back piece here that has an adhesive. And when it comes to putting shampoos, conditioners, whatever you want to put in these here, this is going to actually hold the weight really well. And I'm going to show you now what it actually looks like in the bathroom. Okay, so now we have the shower caddies in place. You can put them where you want to. You can put, like I said, a variety of things in there, whether it's shampoos, conditioners, maybe you want to put a soap in one of these here. It's totally up to you. But, you know, both of these here are almost about a foot in length. So make sure that you do space correctly in between. If you're going to put products in here, make sure that it doesn't hit the other one. However, you could space it out where you put one here and maybe you put one on maybe the opposite side of the shower. It's totally up to you how you want to do this. But when it comes to creating more space with products, this is the easiest way to do it. And this would be something I'd highly recommend.